Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. I have beautiful short videos consisting of the body. For those that love body to know hair, this video today is for you. And for the lovers of pixies, pixies haircut are for the women, like the boss ladies, the beautiful matured women that don't want stress, that just want to do the wash and go hairstyle and they are good to go. Pixie haircut is for you, and today we have some pixie cuts for matured women. And this haircut is also featuring the top part for the lovers of top part, the love the two sides being shorter and the back shorter, then leaving some hair on top. This video also is for you. And for those that love the laid down hair, like the finger waves that can last up to a week or 2 weeks, this video is for you. You can see Step the Barber doing what he knows best and using the white powder, which are the kings and coils that costs within the range of $10 to $20. You can get those kings and coils kit, like the leave-in conditioner, the moisturizer, the shampoo, and the coil enhancer with the gel that will help you to have those beautiful laid and haircut that will suit a bald head or a finger waves or even a teeny weeny afro. So we have beautiful short haircuts. Even this video today is featuring the teeny weeny afro. For the lovers of teeny weeny afro, the curly hair, please, I would like you guys to watch this video to the end. You're not gonna regret watching this video, okay? So if it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay locked to Wendy Styles for beautiful matured haircuts for beautiful classy women. God bless you guys. Stay locked. See you guys in my next video. More than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Ooh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than
than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve. You deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish and keep you here with me. You deserve, deserve. You deserve. I'm gonna be. I promise you I don't feel so bad. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna show you. Oh, you deserve more than I can give. I don't wanna be so selfish. I don't wanna be so selfish. You deserve more than I can never give to you. Can never give to you. You deserve more than I can give.